Everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your QuickBooks account with your bank account or credit card. A process that only takes a few minutes but can save you hours in manual bookkeeping. Let's dive in and get your finances seamlessly connected. First, head over to the QuickBooks website and click on Sign In. Make sure to select QuickBooks Online. Choosing the right version is key for smooth syncing. Enter your login credentials carefully and hit Continue. Once your dashboard loads, you're ready to start linking your accounts. Next, navigate to the Bank Transactions tab. This is your central hub for managing all financial accounts in QuickBooks. Look towards the top right corner for the Link Account button and click it. This feature makes connecting your account straightforward and user-friendly. You'll then choose whether to link a bank account or a credit card. Have your account details handy to avoid delays. QuickBooks will then prompt you to log in securely to your bank or credit card provider. This ensures QuickBooks can safely fetch your transaction data, and that's it. Once connected, your QuickBooks account will automatically update with your latest transactions, saving you time and reducing the risk of manual errors. Now, managing your finances is faster, easier, and more accurate than ever. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a QuickBooks tip. Happy accounting!